Alrighty, now that we've got our eggs into our little bunny heads here, I am just coming in with some finely diced green bell pepper. We've got just a little bit of diced onion here. This is gonna be so cute and perfect for Easter, y'all. Right around the corner, the bunny is gonna be hip hop hopping into your home. Now I've got my pre-cooked breakfast sausage and I've got my handheld grater here. I am just grating a little bit of this sausage right into each of my bunny rabbit holes. Right on top of those eggs. You can always cut this with a scissor if you like, or a knife. You can use bacon, whatever your preference is, your favorite breakfast meat. But I really like doing my little sausage, just a sprinkling of sausage. If you're watching your cholesterol and your heart health, this is perfect. All right, we're coming in with a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm just gonna put a sprinkle of this right on top. It's gonna be so delicious. Some cracked black pepper, freshly cracked in my grinder. Just a little bit of salt, perfect. You know, I'm gonna throw some red bell pepper in here too for color. That's gonna be so pretty. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. And I'm just gonna finish these off with a little bit of Colby Jacques cheese. This is one of my favorites. You can use a cheddar, you can use a mozzarella, you can use whatever you prefer, but I do love a Colby Jacques. All right, I'm just gonna give these a little mixy mix here. Perfect. You can always leave your yolks intact if that's what you prefer. Sometimes I like to break them. I really do it either way. It just depends on who my guests are. This is great if you've got vegetarians. You can kind of just make this however you need and like and want for your guests and for a really fun addition to your Easter morning. Alrighty, I'm just popping my lid on here. We're just gonna let this cook for 3 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, it's been 3 minutes. I'm just gonna grab these out of my boiling water. Let's go to the counter. Here comes Peter Cottontail, ready to be the breakfast of champions. I'm just gonna flip these onto my plate. Woo! Just like that. So easy. Now I did grease this silicone beforehand, so hopefully these are all gonna come out easy as pie. And there we go. Look at our cute little rabbits. And I'm just gonna make their little eyes. Little nose. So cute. You could fill in their ears if you want to. Oh my gosh, these look adorable. What do you think, Marty?
I think it looks like the Holy Grail rabbit now.
Oh, I love that movie. All right, y'all. Gonna come in here for a nice, good sized bite. Fresh, hot, delicious. Oh, that's tasty. Y'all, you gotta try this.